Fáilte arás arís a chairde. Welcome back again, or welcome if you're a first time viewer. This is going to be a bit of a different lesson today, okay? So listening to some feedback that I've been getting. Last week's lesson was really heavy and we did a lot of work. So this is going to be a Léamh agus Éisteacht for Ceacht. And Léamh agus Éisteacht is reading and listening, and Ceacht is number 9. And this is the book that we're going to be looking at, and book gore. And that's a gore that you see there in the picture. And this book is by Helen O'Murphy. Now you have a couple of options while following along. You can either get a piece of paper and a pen now, and you can try and translate as we go or write some things down. Or you can just close your eyes and have a listen. I'm happy enough with that. Or you could actually turn the sound off and try and read it yourself. Okay. You can use the picture for clues, and I've also put in some little translation pointers at the bottom. Okay, Rylin. Ich luan a bhí Bhí sé den nos ag codjogin. Búlúisteach I G Johnny ich luan. Far maich scéalaíochta a bhí in Johnny. Tá dúil agam in neor, sa Johnny. Creightar bra atá sa ghóir. Bhí is agin go raibh scéal ag teacht. Seo mar a bhí sé, sa Johnny. Thula mé ó maithir thaobh é, se lóga, ó maithir thaobh. Tharla sé nuair a bhí strainsear ag deanadh a bhálach go ranna feirste tráthnóna amháin. Thula sé cíniú ag teacht as cibhrean le na huimh. D'arc sé thar an bhála isteach sa chibhrean. Cé a chonaic sé ach fear bug agus boc mór de ghóir. Bhí greim daingean ag an nár bheag airgead an ghóir. Codí lom, a scart an fear bug. Codí lom. Tá mé sáte an seo le rá an chloig. Léamh mo rinne thar an bhála. Go máil cúramach láu láimh, ghlach sé áit an a bhí sáte. Fuair sé haon greim daingean airgead an ghóir. Mai an fear thu haon, sa an fear bug agus go raibh sé leis. Rith sé trasna an chibhrean agus thar an bhála. Thiomtaí sé arás an sin agus scart sé leis an strainsear. Hic leat é a ligean siar anois. Lig leis anois. So, could you do waril or in scale sin? Your opinion, what do you think about that story? You can let me know in the chat or the comments. So if you've been listening, you can go back now and listen again and follow along with the words, or it's up to you. You can listen on now or check on now for a rough translation and check your work. So up on your screen now should be a rough English translation of the story, and you can, if you've been taking your notes, you can check what you've got if you've done a translation, or if you were completely lost and you didn't have a baldy notion what was going on from start to finish, I would say read through this, then listen to it again and see does that help you, and let me know how you get on after that. My Shiv. Okay, so hopefully you've had a couple of goes at that now and you know what the story's about. And just because we're doing a different lesson doesn't mean that you're getting away without doing Seanfhocal and Léamh. So Seanfhocal today is an che a bhíonn siúlach bíonn sé scíolach. What does that mean? Let me know what you think in the comments below by the email or in our chat. So a wee short one today. Sinead and Lan, you've been working really hard. Keep up the good work. I'm really, really proud of you. Let me know how you're getting on. As always, I love to hear feedback. And if you enjoyed this video, hit like down below. It helps spread the word. Send it to your friends. It's a really easy one that people can just listen to a wee bit of Irish. So I'd love to spread the word with it. Okay, see you next week. My Shiv, slán go fóill, slán.